Okay, I'm gonna put, if you could put that one on the other side and I'll put this one on, please. Did you get them all? Okay. Yeah, I did. Excuse me.
direct deposit or debit card. Or if you have questions about joining the Spark Driver platform, please press 1.
The system is designed to keep people in jail. When you're in a level of life where you're making a lot of increments like myself and banking, and you got a lot of shit going on, they're going to continue to keep you in jail. I'm the most farthest motherfucker that damn near made it out of the South Central area right now. And I got a lot going on, so they're going to try to keep me in jail. So them trying to say, oh, all right, we're going to give you 2 or 3 years to make you sad or this and that. Well, yeah, I already did a fucking year. I could do another 2 to 3 years easy. And come home and still get richer. I'm not going to let nobody fuck my program up or fuck my mood up. But what I'm doing on our own 5C out here never will. So that's just how it is.
149. Let's see. I always be getting the wrong sides. Huh. Quick shopping pay. Try to make this quick. What time is it? I know I ain't supposed to be talking this vlog. This vlog is basically a no talking, getting straight to the money vlog. But 134. I'm gonna put it on the screen. 134. We got 34 items. Let's see how long this takes. Hate when they do that. I'm gonna just get them these anyway. 18 and 18. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, you too. Bingo, thank God. All right, y'all. I think that took about 17 minutes, something like that. Cause I still got 3 drop-offs. Then I got to do this, and that's probably gonna wrap up the vlog. I'm gonna let y'all know where we at. I got to at least be at close to 200 for sure. Like, I just been non-stop. I haven't even been home. I need to take a break, go check on my dog. But hey, when the money call on Friday, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all joining in this video. Like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell so you can stay tapped tuned. And yeah, I'm probably leaving for Denver tonight. So if you made it this far in the vlog, you already know. Yeah, I'm heading to Denver tonight. They got some incentives going on Sunday. So I want to make sure I'm back home Sunday to work. Ooh, I'd rather work Sunday. I don't know their yard.
No, I don't go up there. Oh, hell no. She see me on her yard. She gonna pull the trigger.
Golly, y'all see these homes? Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Bro, I gotta show y'all this house 2 doors down. Crazy.
Son. And I told no.
Yo, look at this house right here. Damn. Yo, tune in TV. 5 o'clock on the dot. Finally got done with that batch trip. I would have been done a long time ago, but I had got something to eat and then I got that shopping pay. But yeah, man, let's just get right into it. We should be close. I think we already at 200. I want to say we already at 200. So let me see what's going on, man. Let me see. So this app, we had a $39 order, 22, 20, 14, 23, 16, and 14. And then on the other one, we had 16.91, 15.54. This one ended up getting canceled, but I still got $2.50. That was actually that GameStop where y'all seen me earlier. It was $34, but the customer picked it up. $16 and $18.69. So I want to say, I'm gonna put the top. I want to say that's about 204. I wrote it down somewhere. Hold on. No, it's not on that one. Okay, here, boom. We at 220 right now. So, I mean, not too bad. I got out here about 8 o'clock. So, yeah, about an 8-hour shift, $200. Really not a full 8 hours because honestly, today I was like chilling at Walmart a good portion of the time. But still, $220 before 5 o'clock. Well, by 5, not too bad. Plus, they got these incentives, so I'm going to get back out. I'm actually heading to the crib. Where's these incentives at? If y'all can see it, I don't know if my glass can capture, but we got a lot of incentives this weekend. This one is 16 trips, extra $80, but I don't think I'm gonna get that because it ends today. But I got 10 trips, so I just need 2 more to get an extra 54, and that goes for this one too. So I need a total of 4 trips. That'll be an extra 108. So we had 220 plus that 108. That's gonna be, what's that? My math is horrible. That's like let's say 330 plus, you know, whatever else I do for the rest of this evening. So I'm probably gonna try to do a $400 day. So yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this vlog. Like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell so you can stay tapped tuned when we drop, and we out this motherfucker. Oh, heading to Denver tonight. Stay tapped tuned for the next vlog. Denver, Colorado, we on the way.